Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be taking a look at some of the best cases available for the Samsung Galaxy S10e. While this is considered to be Samsung's budget option, it still comes in at a hefty price, and because of that it's important to have a decent case for protection. Starting off with an official case, we have Samsung's LED view cover. A very popular choice, this offers great protection while providing a display of the time, as well as keeping you up to date with your notifications. I like how this smart feature is subtly integrated into the design. Unless it's triggered, it looks just like an ordinary phone case. With a handy card slot inside, you can keep important cards close to hand. I find this very useful for when I'm out and need to access my card or train tickets at a moment's notice. In terms of protection, this does a fantastic job of providing all-round protection to the phone. I do feel that a harsh drop may cause the cover to open, but other than that, this is perfect for day-to-day protection. With a very premium design, this adds to the sleek nature of the S10e, making it look perfect no matter where you go. Definitely a great choice for S10e users, this practical and smart option really adds to the smartphone experience, all while keeping your latest handset safe from harm. Up next we have the Roky Fusion X case. Offering superb protection while showing off the sleek S10e, this keeps your new phone safe from drops and bumps. I really like how this protects your phone while also allowing its stunning colour to shine through. With a tough bumper and raised lip, you can keep the S10e safe from bumps, knocks and scratches. The perfectly positioned cutouts give you full access to the phone, meaning you can use it as though it isn't in a case. While this is quite a protective option, it's incredibly slim and lightweight, so once it's been on for a while you forget it's there. The transparent back is incredible in my opinion. I really like this, as regardless of where you go, your phone is going to look amazing no matter what. Easily one of my favourites, this is perfect for those who want solid protection without masking the beauty of their new phone. Moving on now to our second official case in the form of Samsung's pattern cover. Certainly an interesting option, this adds light protection to the S10e while also providing an interesting and stylish look. The holes in the back not only add a trendy edge, they also help dissipate any heat coming from the handset, making sure your phone runs at its best. While the lightweight plastic maintains the S10e's sleek design, I feel that it wouldn't stand up too well to heavy drops and falls. That being said, this is great for light scratches and scrapes, so it would offer some protection from general day-to-day use. One thing I really like about this option is it comes as a 2-pack, meaning you can swap out the colour of your case as you see fit. While this may not be the first choice for everyone, it definitely adds an interesting edge to the S10e, all while keeping scratches from blemishing the phone. Next up we have the plasma case from Urban Armour Gear. Designed for protection, this shields the S10e from all of life's encounters, keeping it in pristine condition. While this is quite a rugged case, you can still use your phone how you normally would, including the fingerprint reader at the side. The tough bumper shields your phone from drops and knocks, while its raised lip prevents screen scratches by lifting the display from flat surfaces. I really like how this has some transparency. It allows the colour of your phone to shine through, looking great no matter where you go. Certainly a solid option for protection, this keeps your S10e safe in all scenarios without adding too much bulk to its thin design. Finishing up our lineup, we have the carbon fibre case from Olixar. With an eye-catching carbon fibre print, this adds a premium look to your S10e. Once on, this feels almost invisible. It doesn't take anything away from the feel of the phone and also gives access to all features, allowing you to unlock your phone or turn up your favourite music with ease. I really like how simple this case is. It does exactly what you need it to, and it looks fantastic in all social settings. In terms of protection, this is a solid option. This keeps your latest handset safe from bumps and knocks, maintaining its pristine condition. Overall, a great addition to any S10e. The carbon fibre print adds a premium and executive look, while the lightweight yet protective design keeps your phone looking great no matter what. The 5 cases featured in our video today work flawlessly with both wireless charging and wireless power share, meaning you can get the most out of your phone without removing the case. That's all we have for our look into the best cases available for the S10e. Please do let us know what you think in the comments below. For more information or to even purchase any of the featured cases, I'll be leaving links in the description and comments of this video.